Hi everyone, welcome to mommycleanit. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I flush my nose wrong the whole time. I know that's my last video that I just post the video that I flushed my nose because I have a runny nose, and then I just want to share with you guys how I flush my nose when I have a plugged nose or I don't feel comfortable to breathe when I have my stuffy nose. And anyway, 3 years ago, okay, I have flushing my son's nose that he have a plugged nose. So that time after his shower, and he told me he couldn't breathe well before he go to bed, so I decided to flush his nose. And here's the video of that time I flushed his nose. Let's check it out. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. More? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh yeah. Okay, so as you see in the video that I am squeezing the bottle. 1, 2, 3, go. The bottle is here. So this is a bottle that I used 3 years ago, and our family still use since then. My husband, my kids, 2 of them still use him. All right, so I think a few days ago I have been post the video that I flushed my daughter's nose because she have the same problem that she can't breathe. So I decided to flush her nose. That is her first time. Still, I am squeezing the bottle, and yeah, so the water run through here, and that's what I explained on the video. And like then slightly squeeze until you feel the water. And I'm gonna open my mouth. So, and then after I post the video like a day or 2 later, and I have one person that they comment in my video. They say, here, let me show you the person just comment on my video. And he say, in case you did not know, you don't have to squeeze the bottle. Little white bottle on the bottom of the bottle. If you push it, it will squirt the water for you. And I ran upstairs to grab the bottle to find out what he's talking about. This white little dot here, that's where you're going to press while you rinse your nose. Not squeezing. That's what I did wrong all the time. I just ran up to my husband's office and to tell him like what we did all the time that we did wrong. This is not how you use squeezing the bottle. I bought it, I never read the manual. I think I know what to do. You don't need to squeeze the water. Oh my god, and I try too. Go to show you in the bathroom. Okay, I'm just fill the water just from tap water. I'm not going to use this in my nose right now because we're not supposed to use tap water. Right now I just want to show you that's how the bottle will work, okay? And this is how I do the whole time that I have used this bottle. I just squeeze it like that. When you release the bottle, it's suck the water back. All right, so I'm going to press the button here, and the water gonna release out very nice and slow. Wow! Because I share my video to TikTok, YouTube, and my other social media as well. You guys might make mistake like what I did, but if you already figured out how to do, I'm glad to hear. Please let me know in the comment below. Hope this video is help you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Love you guys.